Hey, what's happening, my friend? It's Cameron Malcolmson here, founder of CameronLimitless.com, and in this video I want to show you, give you a review of the Clickbank marketplace. Now, Clickbank is a great place to start with affiliate marketing, but there's a few things that you should know about the platform itself. Now, with Clickbank you can actually have your own product and put it on there and get affiliates to promote your product, as well as being an affiliate and promoting other people's products. So something that I want to point out at the start is, with these types of marketplaces and that there, it's usually you're playing the one and done method, where you send traffic to a product and make a sale and you make the money, and then that vendor or the product owner gets a customer, and then you don't get to participate in the profit zone. So I'll show you a little picture of what I mean here in a second, but what you want to do is really look for products in the network and things like that, which allows you to participate in the profit zone. Because I don't know what sort of information you've came across about Clickbank affiliate marketing, but a lot of the times that they usually tell you to send traffic to the product and hope that it converts. Now, I'm going to show you here on the screen a little drawing that I've done. Now you can see here on the screen, it says here Clickbank review. So pretty much what most people tell you to do is just to send traffic to the product, and then you make a sale, you make money, and then that vendor gets a customer. Now usually we only play above the line here, which is the one and done method. Now if you're just an affiliate sending traffic to an offer and it's converting at 1%, you're not going to be able to get a good return on your ad spend. So a different sort of setup that you should really have, I'm going to show you here in a second. And really, when that product owner gets a customer, they can send out additional products, and this is where the profit zone happens. Now when you're a product owner and you can send traffic to your product sales page, and then you make a sale, you get a customer, then in here, this is the profit zone, and this is where you can make additional sales which don't really cost you as much money as it was to get traffic to come to your site and buy your product in the first place. So really what you want to look out for is being able to get involved in this profit zone part. Now something that you can look out for is a reoccurring product. So maybe it's a product or software that rebuilds every month that you get the commissions on as well. Maybe within this product, the product owner might recommend other different income streams that you could participate in. Now this wouldn't be a one and done model, but whenever you're looking on these different networks, you want to look, can you participate in the profit zone? And this is when you can send traffic to the product, make a sale, and then for the lifetime of that customer you can make additional sales. Great products that you can promote is software products that allows you to do that. So when you put in all that work of getting traffic and making sales, every time the customer uses the software and pays the bill every month, you can make that percentage commission without any additional work on your behalf to try and make that sale again. Okay, now this is what you kind of want to look out for. A little pointer for you here is that when you're doing affiliate marketing, you kind of want to have a setup like this here, rather than just sending traffic straight to the product sales page. Now this here is a little bit more advanced, but really you want to have an opt-in page and build in your email list, so then you can send additional emails and additional products, and you can create your own profit zone. And this is the best strategy that you can implement with affiliate marketing, my friend. And this was basically a review of the affiliate marketing place and what is inside it and what you can expect. Is that you don't really get to participate in the profit zone, and really you want to look out for products that you can participate in the profit zone, because it's going to work out a better lifetime value for each customer that you send to the product. Because if you're playing one and done, it's very hard unless you're promoting additional products yourself and you create your own profit zone, similar to this here, where someone opts in to your email list, then you can send them to the product sales page, and then you can send them emails to additional products and create your own profit zone. So this is basically my review of Clickbank marketplace and what you can expect, like I says, and how you really should go about marketing these types of products effectively. You don't want to go for the one and done method, my friend. You want to participate in either in your own profit zone or with a company who provides you with the additional income streams in their profit zone, because most of the companies on Clickbank, they won't let you participate in that profit zone, and you really either want to make that for yourself or participate in it yourself. And this is what I had for you today. Most of the products are the one and done method, my friend, so you just kind of want to look out for this stuff and really look for great products as well. Hope you liked this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.